Hey everyone, Sylvia here, and welcome to my Recipes Prompts Empire review by Mr. Alessandro Zamboni. Okay, this product has just launched on June the 12th at 10 a.m. New York time. Okay, and let me see if Zamboni has made any sales yet. I'm curious. Let's see, as soon this page loads up. Right, yeah, he has indeed. So 50 plus sales. Good job, mister. Right, guys, this is a straightforward product. I've got all of the review access to not just the front end, but all of the OTOs, most of them, and we'll go through the OTOs at the end. Here I have the whole funnel for you, so I've listed everything pretty nicely and neatly, okay, so you know what you will be offered, okay. Once you've bought the front end, before you can access the front end, you will be, presented with sales pages to all of the upsells, okay? There are 4 of them. If I am not mistaken, yes, they are 4. There are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but we'll get back to that later. Now, this is the sales page, guys, and you will find the link to the sales page below my review should you feel like this is the product for you and you want to pick it up. Now, I would, however, strongly encourage you to read through the sales page. Make sure, you want it, you really want it, and you want it all, you want it now, you want it badly. If you want it badly, go for it, okay? Now, these are prompts, okay, for ChatGPT. You just paste and copy. All right, you just go here, paste and copy, and if you want to have more, then you just you inside ChatGPT. I'm assuming you know how to use ChatGPT. You can access it through openai.com. So you create your account, free account. The 3.5 version is free. There is ChatGPT 4, right, which is paid. I'm still using the free one. I don't use it much, but if I do, I use the free one. Okay, it does a good job. And yeah, obviously this is a product for the right person. What can I say? You've got inside of the front end, you've got 360 prompts, as you can see here. Right, I'm just gonna quickly scroll through because it's not cool to reveal too much of the product information, okay, but you can take a look at some of them. And you've got the category and the category here, description, okay, all kinds of recipes you can possibly think of, all kinds of diets and stuff like that. But as they say here, okay, this is the front end product again. If you've used one of the prompts, you then once the recipe has been produced by ChatGPT, you just give the next prompt you give to ChatGPT is just continue, okay. It's going to create an endless number of recipes. Okay, so the sales page is pretty delicious looking, scrumptious looking. I like the tomatoes. What are these? Like some berries and all of that. Okay, nice. So yeah, read through. This is by Alessandro Zamboni and Paolo Grow, I think is the way to pronounce Paolo's surname. I'm not too sure. Maybe Grow, maybe Gro, maybe Gro. No idea. I'm not sure where Paolo is from. Alessandro is from Italy. Bella Italia, from Bella Italia. Very, very cool guy. I like him as a vendor. He's on it, okay? What I mean by that, his support is excellent. yeah, he puts a lot of effort and his, I would say, heart and soul into the products he creates. He creates many products. But yeah, he's just on fire. What can I say? He's got great ideas. He's very much into graphics. He's very much into like, yeah, graphics, images, creating all kinds of books, and selling them on Amazon or Etsy. Yeah, these kinds of products. Anyhow, so plenty of information on the sales page. So these are the examples of the recipes, guys, you can create, and you can put them together. And with the bonus, Zamboni actually, this is Zamboni, actually gives you will, it's called Cookbooks Empire. So it's like an exclusive bonus on top of just the front end. And it's actually one of his top selling courses. Which will give you ideas on how to create outstanding cookbooks with step-by-step explanations. Okay, so not only are you getting the prompts to create the cookbooks, but also the training on how to actually create those, how to actually put them together in a form of a book ready to publish. Okay, so $17 for now. For now, it has just launched, so the price will stay at $17, I think, for the duration of the launch period, which is going to be about 5 days. And what else did I want to say? Yeah, 14 days money back guarantee. So yeah, again, these are the vendors. Right, guys, so yeah, we've checked them. Let me just quickly show you Alessandro Zamboni's score. So yeah, there you go, 4 stars out of 5. I guess it's a decent score. Yeah, I have reviewed so many of his products. This one, which sold so well, AI Children Books Empire. This one was by Zamboni, and his partner was, I forgot his name. I think Alessandro Quintana. Yeah. Amazing guy, so talented, with a beautiful voice. It's always such a pleasure to listen to his training courses. And yeah, it's sold in over 1,000 plus sales. This AI Children Books Empire, this product specifically, sold also pretty well for me, and people loved it. Very good feedback. But yeah, Recipes Prompt Empire is on fire too, is already selling well. And now, this is the front end, guys, so you've got 360 prompts and all of that. Then you will have the OTO number 1, we'll go through them, and you will also have them, like, these prompts here, but many, many, many more, okay? And that's OTO number 3, so the 2. So the OTO number 2, I believe, will go to the funnel, and I'll check that, but yeah, it's over 2,000 prompts. So you have 1, 2, 3 divided into different categories. Okay, now let me show you the funnel now. So the front end is $17, and it's a comprehensive collection of 360 expertly crafted ChatGPT prompts, specifically designed to give you a different recipe anytime you use them. Now, OTO number 1 for $27. It's a set of 1,129 additional prompts exploring a lot more foods. OTO number 3 for $67. Well, it's a bit pricey, but here you get a big set of 2,326 prompts, okay, for ChatGPT, giving prompts about all sorts of diets, international cuisine, and ingredient recipes. Cuisine, is it the way to pronounce it? Is it? I'm not originally from England, but I can speak the language. Every now and again, it's like I catch myself not being sure how to pronounce a certain word. Anyhow, OTO number 3 for $27 is an online software. I do not have access to the software, this OTO number 3, so sorry, I cannot show you. But this software can generate recipes by I mean, hardly ever, you know, reviewers will show you access to OT, like any of the upsells. Most of the time, if not all reviewers actually will, which is bad, because I believe, you know, as a reviewer, you should, you know, show access to the product. Or else, how can you call it a review? But yeah, but hey, this is OTO number 3, which I said I did not have access to, but I do have access to OTO number 1 and 2, and yeah, this is the, again, front end, this is OTO number 1, and 1, 2, 3, all of that is OTO number 2, okay? This is like 2,000, well over 2,000 prompts. But back to OTO number 3 for $27 is an online software that can generate recipes in one click after entering your favorite foods, and for how many people, for as many people as you want it to, I guess. And OTO number 4, $47, is the same online software but with full reseller rights. Okay, well, if you can think of how that could be useful for you, how you could sell it, then you have the opportunity to purchase it here. Right, guys, so that's the funnel. Now, have we covered everything? Yeah, I'm not gonna like prolong this review because, you know, it's a straightforward product. There's not much I need to demonstrate to you here. So yeah, the right product for the right person. You know, guys, if you're into creation of cookbooks, that's for you, pick it up, and yeah, all of the success to you. Bye. I'm not gonna, yeah, I could talk and talk, but I better drink my alkaline foods tea. It's alkaline food, so it's, yeah, alkaline. It's good for the, you know, to keeping the pH alkaline, very important. The healthy pH is 2.2. That's not healthy, that's very acidic. 7.2, 7.3, very important. I'll keep this information though for my another channel about health and health, maybe wealth too, but you know, our health is our wealth. So yeah, health and wealth. And fitness and all of that when the time comes, when I finally find the time. And maybe I'll be talking about some delicious foods too. Alright guys, bye, take care, see you soon.